This is how to reset Subaru XB 2017 model. Just ignition on. Yep, ignition on. Then press this info. See, just press or push and hold the info, and then this one, this bottom, this lower selection, up, about down and up. Just go down to maintenance, click, and then press this center. See, down, go to maintenance schedule. Back, the maintenance schedule, then click the center, then set the date. That one, just press the center and then select up and down. 23, then okay, center, then select down and then enter the center, and then 8 August, enter, set the date 2005. Good. Down, forget the kilometers, 12,000 kilometers, set for 12,000 kilometers. Oops, enter. Good, set, complete. That's it, all goods. Thank you.